Today's experiment, air layering with ring cutting, combined with grafting 3 rootstocks. It's almost impossible for it not to survive. If you want a mango tree to bear fruit quickly, you may have seen grafting before and also seen air layering with ring cutting. But combining air layering and grafting at the same time, this is the first time. First, ring cut and scrape the bark on the branch to block the flow of nutrients back down. Then, above the ring cut, arrange 3 rootstocks in a tripod layout. Cut away part of the bark and wood to create grafting slots for roots. The exact length depends on the seedling root length. The cut must be smooth and flat. Here's a small seedling with roots. Compare it with the length of the cut. From just above the roots, make a slanted cut. If it's not smooth enough, cut again to correct it. The seedling and branch should fit perfectly. First, tie it to the branch. The other 2 seedlings are prepared the same way. Slant cut, trim smooth. If not smooth, grafting may fail. Then align the branch and seedling cuts tightly. Do a first wrap to hold them in place. Then wrap again with plastic film more densely to ensure tight contact, completely sealed. This way, the root grafting is done. Now prepare moist soil mix. Wrap it with plastic film over the cut. Tie the bottom firmly. Fill with the soil mix inside, covering the ring cut and the 3 root grafts. Tie it up tightly, like wrapping zongzi dumplings. Patiently wait 2 months. Then cut it off from the tree. Open the bag and you'll see it full of roots. Thick ones, thin ones, roots of all colors. Wash it clean to check inside. It's a bit crowded, completely filled with roots. The original ring cut can't even be seen anymore. But the 3 grafted rootstocks have produced many fine roots. At this point, plant it in a pot, and the survival rate will be very high.